The creation of the revolutionary iPhone. The iPhone is a line of smartphones designed and developed by Apple. It was first released on June 29, 2007, and since has become one of the most popular and iconic smartphones in the world. The iPhone revolutionized the mobile phone industry by introducing a new era of touch-based user interfaces and app ecosystems. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Apple Podcast, and all I do over here is post videos about Apple answering your questions. You can suggest me videos in the comments down below. Now let's dive in. The idea for the iPhone was first conceptualized by Apple's co-founder Steve Jobs in 2003. At the time, mobile phones were mainly used for voice calls and texting and were not designed for internet browsing or other advanced features. Jobs recognized the potential of a touch-based smartphone that could combine phone, email, internet browsing, and other features in a single device. Jobs tasked a team of engineers led by Jonathan Ive with designing the device. The team faced a number of challenges, including creating a touch-based interface that was intuitive and easy to use. They also had to develop new technologies to make the iPhone small, lightweight, and powerful. There were indeed two different teams working on the iPhone project, each with its own distinct focus and goals. The first team, led by Apple's then CEO, Steve Jobs, was responsible for the overall vision and design of the iPhone. Jobs had a clear idea of what he wanted the iPhone to be and what features it should have. He envisioned a device that would combine the functionalities of a mobile phone and a handheld computer and an iPod. This team was focused on creating a device that was sleek, intuitive, and user-friendly, and that would revolutionize the way people interacted with their mobile devices. The second team, led by Jonathan Ive, Apple's chief designer, was responsible for the physical design of the iPhone. Ive's team was tasked with creating a device that was not only beautiful and aesthetically pleasing but also functional and durable. They had to take into account a number of factors, including the size, weight of the device, the materials used in its construction, and the placement of its various components. In addition to these two teams, Apple had two more teams working on the software that would power the iPhone. The first team was led by Scott Forstall and was responsible for adapting Apple's macOS operating system into a handheld device. The team had to create a new interface and user experience that would work well on a small touchscreen, as well as develop new applications and features that were optimized for mobile use. The last team was responsible for upgrading Apple's popular iPod, which was already a huge successful product. This team was led by Tony Fadell, and their goal was to create a new iPod that was not only excellent music player but also a fully functional smartphone. They had to integrate all the features that Jobs envisioned, such as mobile phone capabilities, internet browsing, and email into iPod's design, while maintaining its simplicity and ease of use. The software that Apple chose for the iPhone was a new mobile operating system called iOS. While it was based on Apple's macOS operating system, iOS was specifically designed for use on mobile devices with a focus on touch-based input and a simplified intuitive user interface. Ultimately, the collaboration between these different teams at Apple was critical to the success of the iPhone. Their collective efforts resulted in a product that was both highly functional and aesthetically pleasing, and that set a new standard for mobile devices. In 2007 January, Jobs unveiled the iPhone at the Macworld Expo in San Francisco. The device was immediately praised for its sleek design, large touchscreen, and advanced features. The first iPhone model had a 3.5-inch display, a 2-megapixel camera, and a built-in iPod for music playback. The iPhone was initially exclusive to the AT&T network in the United States, but Apple later expanded to other carriers and markets around the world. The iPhone quickly gained a loyal following and became a cultural phenomenon, with people lining up for hours or even days to be the first to get their hands on the latest model. Over the years, Apple has continued to innovate and improve the iPhone, introducing new features such as Siri, Face ID, and the App Store. The iPhone has also inspired a whole ecosystem for accessories, including cases, chargers, and other gadgets. I'll have a video covering all the details about Siri, its creation, and everything. I'll drop a link to that in the description, and a card will pop up now. You can click on that to see the other video. Today, the iPhone remains one of the most important products, generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. The iPhone has also had a significant impact on the mobile phone industry, inspiring other companies to develop their own touch-based smartphone and app ecosystems. Even as I'm filming this video, the yellow iPhone 14 released. So that's about the day, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.